Now, if you got hosed by the market top on silver, you need to be paying attention to this channel because we notified people 9 days in advance there was a chance that we would see peak momentum and a reversal area off this rally. 9 days in advance, everybody knew about it. Even the directional vectors cued in on this prior to this massive dump. But what's going on? Well, way back, 7 days ago, February 18th, I was telling everybody, guess what? We've got a harmonic pattern that is playing out perfectly. And really, at the end of the day, what exactly did happen? You can see that we were looking for around that $77-ish level. Well, silver not only went up to about $77, but it rallied really hard. And now there is another formation that is happening on the chart that you need to know about. By the way, if you want to try chartforecaster.com, this amazing software that's predicting market movements out in advance with over 2,500 stocks, 950 cryptos, over 30 Forex pairs, you can sign up and use free trial at the sign up. It's all free, no card needed. You'll get free access until March 1st. But we've got auto harmonics have kicked in prior. They said, hey, we got a structure here. It's going to strip the price down. We got some of our directional vectors. They kicked in. The system's constantly scanning for indications on if the market is going to move up or down. So it'll be interesting to see if we get a directional vector out of this. But right now, Chart Forecaster is also throwing up an auto rising wedge here. I don't know. On top of that, we do have a significant harmonic pattern that is coming into play here. And I do think that we are going to see silver, maybe going into the first week of March, visit some of these lower $70-ish numbers. It just is what it is. It's what I'm thinking. Because right now, there is a very nice harmonic pattern, possibly suggesting this could be what's going on with silver. Now, what exactly happens in 5 or 6 days? Well, we'll talk about the next couple days. We've got some data points here. So this is going to suggest volatility or reversal points coming up, and that is, let's see, the next R&D beta testing point is February 26th at 6:48 UTC time. So look for volatility or reversals there. But in a couple days on Friday, I believe it's Friday. Let's double check. We are looking for peak momentum. Friday the 27th. That's Friday, right? Yes. Friday the 27th at 2235 hours. Now, if that does fall after the markets close, then we're going to look for this on Monday's open. And we're going to see that peak happen possibly. You can kind of see how this works. Price came down here. We had a nice reversal indicator here. 9 days in advance, we knew none of this other price action was here. So price ripped off here. We knew that something was going to happen. A directional vector kicked in. So, hey, the market's turning downwards. Price came down, dumped. But then we knew that there was going to be a peak momentum in a reversal area here. And that's exactly what happened. Here's another example. We knew 9 days in advance, the top of silver. This is why it's so important for you guys to be at least checking out chartforecaster.com. It's nice to know when events are going to happen and not get caught with your pants down. Like I said, it's free until March 1st at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. When you sign up and use free trial as the code, and you're just going to want to come here. You're just going to want to sign up, put the invite code, free trial, fill out the information. After that, free trial, there's no card needed, nothing. You can walk away, or you can come back and sign up. I think next week I'll have a 50% off the first month code. So tune in. But with that said, guys, if you want to just check out what Chart Forecaster has to offer, on the landing page, there's a full platform tour. And we'll see you guys on the next video.